Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The name of my channel is TamashaBera. That's right, welcome to my channel where we are going to do some drawings. And subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future every single day. Make sure you turn on the notification bell while you guys are subscribing. That is always appreciated. And don't forget to drop a like, alright? It's completely free. Go ahead, it would just take half a second. Just smash the like button, alright? So in today's video, we will be drawing the GHOUL Trooper from Fortnite. As you guys know, a few days back, the GHOUL Trooper came back into the item shop and it was a rejoice, alright? Everyone would love the OG skins to come back in the Fortnite item shop, and yes, we did get it this time. So what other way to celebrate the main event just by drawing the GHOUL Trooper? Well, why should you draw it? If you guys are asking, why should I watch this video? Well, if you guys are expecting some of your friend's birthday, this holiday, if you want to pass your time, if you guys want to do some drawing, well, then this video is definitely for you guys, or for your entertainment, just to enjoy my drawings. So basically, I start with the pencil drawing, and then I take an eraser, and I erase everything. That's right, so that I don't leave any marks behind when I'm going to be coloring this, or like doing my illustration, to show you guys how you guys can draw the GHOUL Trooper. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my marker, and show you guys how you guys can draw the GHOUL Trooper in a very easy and a very simple way. So use this as a birthday card, use it as like something that you guys would love to use it, so that you guys, let me just take that thing out of the camera, like it's just there's like something on the camera right now. So alright, so let's get into the video. Remember guys, if you guys can draw straight lines and curves, that is it. You guys will be able to draw the GHOUL Trooper. As simple as that. So first, we start with a big C. Okay, that is going to be the ear. Alright, so easy and simple. If you guys want, you guys can go into the details if you guys are using a pencil. And that's what I expect everyone to use. Don't use a marker. I use a marker just to illustrate you guys how you guys will be able to do the drawing. So we draw one curved line right over here. A jagged line at the edge, just to make the hair, to give it some more detail. Another jagged line and a big curve. Okay? I hope you guys are following me on this. And on the same thing, we are going to go ahead and then make another curve, joining our initial curve. From there, we're going to make some details into her hair. As you guys can see, very easy, very simple. If you guys want, you guys can use any type of paper, even your notebook, to draw this. And if you guys are drawing, if you guys want to show me how you guys did, you guys can take a picture and send it to me on my social media. It's always on the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and make her hair, as you guys can see, putting on the details, but there are certain times I can't go into much detail because I'm using a very bold marker. And now, like with the hair, we will be making her goggles that she has always on top of her head, on her hair. So one goggle right over here, make the glass, another curve right over here, make the goggles on the other side. See, curved lines after each other. Okay? Very easy and simple. Let's make the bands of the goggles that she has. There you go. More bendy things. Alright, there you have it. There you have her hair. Now to the difficult part, we're going to make a straight line right over here underneath her hair to make her eyebrows, and the same thing we are going to do on the other side. Just make sure they're on the same level, okay? Very easy, alright? Very simple and easy. Now we're going to make her face. So make a curved line like this and another curved line like that, then make a curve at the end, and then join these two dots at the end, okay? By making a curved line, okay? We're gonna come back to the face, and for the face, you would require like a pencil or a small marker to do the illustration. We're gonna draw her next to draw like two curved lines from where her jaw will start. Okay, two curved lines. From there, we draw like a straight line for her shoulder, and from there we are going to make her arms. Okay, a curved line over here and a curved line joining the other side. Very easy, very simple. And again, we are going to do her shirt now. So make sure you draw a big U, okay? Another parallel line with the U right over here. Very easy and simple, as you guys can see. Same thing we are going to do to the other side to make her shoulders. So for this one, make a big curve like an inverted C, okay? And take the same line on her shoulder and join these 2 dots at the end to make it, just make sure that it is pointy at the end and it's not flat like the other one. Now we are gonna make her tag, like which is always around her necklace. So you guys can use, I'm just gonna use dotted lines to show you guys the exact representation, how the dog tags are gonna look like. Now you got questions of what colors do you guys use. You guys can use any type of color, watercolor, poster color, wax colors, pastel colors, even pencil colors, whatever you guys want. You guys can go ahead and color it. Like I have a representation at the end of this video that you guys can use to use as a demonstration. There you go. You have her dog tags right over here. I'm gonna make her hands right now. One over there and one on top to make her arm. Alright, it has already started to take shape of the GHOUL Trooper. The reason you guys see that I erase my pencil work, I do the pencil work first so that I can go back, erase, do the corrections, and so should you. Like if you guys want to get like good in drawing, stop with the marker, stop with the pen, go for a pencil, because that's how you will improve, okay? Now you make like a curve line right over here, make another curve right there, and then you make another hand like that, a curve, okay? Now that is going to give her the shape of her forearms. All right, that is going to be her elbow. There you have it. Now like it has definitely taken place and it looks like her arms. On the other side, we're gonna make another line like that and a big curve right over here to make her band that she wears on her arms. As you guys might know from the GHOUL Trooper in Fortnite Chapter 2, which got released in the Fortnite item shop. So I'm enjoying Fortnite and I hope you guys are enjoying as well. I'll be drawing more skins, so get ready for that. I'm gonna make her elbow again on this side, and for her arm, this one over here, we make a curve and we pan it a little bit down because her arms, she's like her hands are on her waist. So yep, so we're gonna make a curve right over here and then her tummy to make another curve. So it's like an inverted S that you guys have to do. Over here, you got to make another curve right over here. Very easy, very simple, as you guys can see. Then over here, we're gonna make her band. So make like 2 straight lines and then 2 curved lines to make her a band. Then we are gonna make her glove. To make it the 3D feeling, we're gonna make the glove smaller so that like she looks as if like she has like turned and facing her shoulder first. So we're gonna make her glove like that. Curved line over here, straight line, curved line, and her glove ending. And we're gonna probably make the thumb later, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the other side and make her other stuff, other gear that she is always on her hands. There you have it, easy peasy. So again, this is again a piece of an application which is always there on her hand. You guys, if you guys don't want, you guys cannot draw these details, but I'm drawing these details to give you guys a depth to get the best out of this channel, where I'm going to be teaching you how to draw properly, step-by-step tutorial. But all these drawing characters, right now I'm doing like a Fortnite series. I will be drawing like other characters from other games as well, so make sure you guys are subscribed in for that. We're gonna go ahead and make our thumb right over here. There you have it. And right now we're gonna go with our belt and we're gonna make her legs. So again, a big curved line like that to make her belt and the ending of her shirt. So you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make her belt buckle. Boom, there you have it. Gonna join these 2 dots, join these 2 lines, curved lines at the end, and again her part. Okay, then we're gonna make the legs. So we make a big curve like that, and from the middle of the belt buckle we make another curve and make jagged lines like this, as I have shown you guys over here. Make like more lines like this. Very easy, very simple. Boom, there you have it. Okay, now let me go ahead and make the other side as well so that it becomes better. So let me make her pants, like boom, there you have it, like a curved line like this and a jagged edge like that, so that you can give it a feeling that there's like, you know, curves, and her pant is like, you know, crooked, to give it more like a realism effect. So our pants are dark, so if you want to color, you guys can go ahead and make her just pants dark, but I'm gonna show you guys the layers that you guys don't see because it's all just always dark. We're gonna make her belt, give it some more detail. Now she looks already fantastic. Alright, so this is the GHOUL Trooper, as you guys can see. If you guys were facing difficulties, I'm going to be showing you guys like how to draw properly eyes, nose, and lips in my videos that will be there on my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and make some more details into this GHOUL Trooper. Right now I'm gonna be showing you guys like how the GHOUL Trooper is gonna look like when you guys color it, and this is a representation. Do check out the videos that is appearing on the screen right now. Make sure you guys subscribe and drop a like in this video.